Today we have a competition between two fuzzes, Fuzzvenger and Old Hag. I recorded short song in two versions, first only with Fuzzvenger and second only with Old Hag. Each version has 3 tracks with hard panned left, right and center. At the end of the video you will hear only guitar tracks without drums and bass. If you're new on my channel, my name is Adrian and I run small guitar pedal company in Wrocław, Poland. In this video you will hear 2 of my fully handcrafted pedals in my small workshop. If you want to check more info about my work, you can check the links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So get ready for the battle, let me know in a comment which one you would like to pick for that kind of riffs to be your tool of doom, your weapon to
crush your enemies, see them driven before you, and hear the lamentation of their women. That is good.
Thanks for watching, don't forget to let me know in a comment which one sounded better for your taste. Thanks, cheers, have a great day!